as I was weeding out my garden this morning and digging up the ground, and when I look back on it, and it seems like the cane are dying, it seems like some already dead. My plants are not that big, and some haven't come up as of yet. So the ground look dry, and my apple tree look like it's gone home. But as you continue to look, it still seems dry, like nothing is there, right? And while I was looking at it, and then I walk over here, and if you remember when I dug the yam the other day, you can see now that they are growing back, and in a little while I'll be able to dig again. Amen. And the Spirit of God said to me, this is the same way some people see you, where it seems like nothing going on for you and everything seems dried up. But in a few months, if you come back, or if I bring you back here again, you will see the difference. Amen. How fruitful it has become. And same thing is going to happen to you. Though you look dried up now and it seems like nothing is going on for you, they don't understand you are going through a plowing season. The grass already been taken up, the weed already been taken up, and my God Almighty, you put in the work, your sweat, and now it is time for your harvest. Amen. It is time to reap, and God said to somebody, get ready for your my God, your reaping season, because your breakthrough is about to come. So just wait for a little while. The same one who sees you like this now is the same one who are going to be able to see you when you start to flourish. God bless you, and understand that He prepared a table before you in the presence of your enemy. But right there He anoints your head with oil, and your cup runneth over. God bless you richly. Hopefully I encourage you this morning. Have a blessed day.
I took my problems